How's it going, YouTube? Tyler the Hotshot Hauler here, bringing you a very important video here explaining gross vehicle weight rating, gross combination weight rating, gross axle weight rating, and gross vehicle weight. Okay, that is all those abbreviations on the left. This is something, guys, that's incredibly important, especially if you're on the commercial side of things, so you don't have to get fines from DOT and get put out of service and all kinds of stuff. But also if you tow trailers like RVs, anything like that, you need to know this stuff to be on the road safely, okay? So we're going to get started here. I'm going to go down the list and explain how it all ties in. I'm going to be using my two lovely diagrams here of my truck and my trailer for the video. And yeah, so let's get started. So let's start with gross vehicle weight rating. Gross vehicle weight rating, guys, is very simply what your vehicle can weigh as a total maximum gross vehicle weight. Okay, guys, gross vehicle weight and gross vehicle weight rating are always confused and they're mixed up, okay? Gross vehicle weight is very simply what you actually weigh. Okay, so if you weigh 9,000 pounds in a truck, your gross vehicle weight is 9,000 pounds. Your gross vehicle weight rating of that truck can be 10,000. So for example, my truck has a gross vehicle weight rating of 10,000 pounds. When I am sitting with no trailer on, just me, all my stuff in the truck, my chains, binders, all the stuff I have in the bed, I weigh 9,200 pounds when I'm empty. So now what this means is if I have no trailer on, my additional weight that I can add into that truck, whether it's cargo in the cab, however, cannot exceed 800 pounds because 800 plus 9,200 would equal 10,000. 10,000 pounds is the max that my truck can weigh as a single unit, okay? If I go above that, it exceeds my 10,000 pound rated gross vehicle weight rating, okay? Now, my truck has two 6,000 pound axles equals 12,000 pounds. That will come into play later, okay? So as a single unit, my gross vehicle weight cannot exceed on my truck 10,000 pounds. Now, when you hook a trailer to a truck, your gross vehicle weight rating goes away. Okay, so it is no longer existent because the trailer and the truck have created a combined unit. This is called gross combined weight rating. Okay, now how you get that number is very simple. You take the GVWR from the truck and the GVWR from the trailer, and you add those numbers together. So in my case, that's 26,000. Trailer is 16,000. Truck is 10,000. That's 26,000 pounds. Okay, so now my gross combined weight rating means that between my truck and my trailer, my total gross vehicle weight, GVW, cannot exceed 26,000 pounds. Okay, so when I hook my truck and trailer together, my empty weight with no load is 16,000 pounds. So that means that I can load 10,000 pounds worth of cargo if I load it correctly to get me to my maximum of 26,000 gross combined weight rating. If I go over 10,000 pounds and I exceed that 26,000 pound gross combined weight rating, I am in violation. Okay, so my total gross vehicle weight for my combination cannot exceed 26,000 pounds total. I'll talk about gross axle weight rating. This is very simply what your axles are rated for, okay? So my truck has two 6,000 pound axles. My trailer has two 8,000 pound axles, okay? So if you add those numbers together, that's 28,000 pounds. That does not mean that my gross vehicle weight can be 28,000 pounds because my gross combined weight rating is only at 26,000. That means that even though my axles can handle it, I legally cannot exceed 26,000 pounds, okay, of total gross vehicle weight. Very simple concept. Don't exceed your gross combined weight rating and don't exceed and overload the limits on your axles, and you're good to go. That's going to sum this video up. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to ask. If you enjoyed this video, please shoot me a like and a subscribe, and stay tuned for more hotshot content. Thanks, guys.